What are some ways that you can have the court recognize parental alienation when it's going on in your case? Of course, you can always just testify as to what's going on, but understand that your testimony is always going to be taken in contradiction or in relation to the other party's testimony. So sometimes there's tools that you can utilize in order to best show that alienation is going on. One of these tools is a guardian ad litem, or in Maryland call it a best interest attorney, petitioning the court for there to be an appointment of a guardian ad litem or best interest attorney, which is an attorney for the child. They can often figure out some of the things that are going on behind the scenes. Another way to do it is to have a custody evaluation. Ask the court for a custody evaluation to be ordered, or a mental health evaluation to be ordered by the court. These are conducted usually by a multiple of different professionals by the court, though, so that they can ultimately create a report on everything that's going on. For a mental health eval, it would be speaking to the mental health on each party. Typically that just means mom, dad, mom, dad, whichever it may be. For a custody evaluation, they'll do a much more in-depth review, meaning that they do a home tour, things like that, and so they can get a better sense of everything that's going on. Lastly, another thing that you can utilize are other witnesses, whether it's witnesses that have seen the parent alienate with their own eyes, or if it's even an expert speaking about parental alienation. These things can be a huge help if you're at trial trying to show alienation.